on Shooting Flight Out of the Box with you guys again, Ayushi. So I decided that let's do something very interesting other than part of studies. So I have come with telling that you already read the thumbnail, right, and caption. I don't have to tell you that. So today I decided why should not I share how I plan my monthly plans and how I plan my weeks, like every Sunday how I plan every month, at the end of the month how I plan for the next month. So since it is this end of the April, so I decided to share with you guys how I will plan my May month. And yeah, specifically May month is going to be a little tough, but don't worry, no problem, everything is possible and we'll have to do it. So I decided to change a lot in the month of May and hope so it will come out. So let's go with it. And guys, if you like this video, if you're liking my videos, please guys, for my one motivation, please do like my videos and even subscribe to my channel. Even guys, I love to read comments, so put comments whatever you want, you can put. I don't have any problem, but just put comments on the comment section box because I love to read comments. And even subscribe to my channel, please guys, keep motivating me since I'm doing a lot of hard work for you guys. And share my videos if you're feeling very helpful. Share with your friends, share with your relatives. So let's start with it. Without further ado. So every month I keep a theme. Like since those who follow me on Instagram, I posted my last April month how I made on the theme of honeybee, that is on yellow color because there's a reason also, I'll tell you later. But in the month of May, I decided to do some like floral with a different color. So we'll choose it in the Pinterest, I think. Yeah, because everything I choose from Pinterest, guys, it's one of the best app, I think so. So everyone has their own choice. You can get it into Google also, no problem. Those who have Pinterest app, they also can get, because Pinterest has many ideas, so I get all this from there. And I take all the quotes over from there only, most probably from Pinterest only. And I have with my sketch pens. Here are few colors and here are some highlighters I have and some calligraphy pens. We'll just make it simple, as much as simple, because I just love to make very simple and it should be clean, because I don't make so much design and it is also waste of time. And the main thing for making journal or planning the month is that to plan for the next month what you have to do, what all you have to study and what you need to change in your habits. Yeah, so you have to check every month at the end of the month what you all have missed out and what you need to again cover it. So these are very important things, but these are very small things, but these are very important things and you have to plan out everything. And it just takes, the main point are all these things. But designing your monthly planner, it's okay, no problem, everyone has choice. Even I also design my monthly plan, it's no problem, there's no problem. But make it simple, as much as simple it is better only, because there will be no much, so you will not waste time. So it's better to keep it very simple so that it's a quick easy, so you can make it out. And I'll show you what theme I have choose for month of May. So okay guys, I have decided to do this one. It's not visible, I'll show on the screen. This design, it's simple floral with black color and with few stars. I think it's will look pretty even there are a design, but there is of yellow color also, which we have already done on the April theme. So yeah, you have to do this one only. Let's start. I even decided that this one was a difficult one. We'll do this one. So from beginning of the year, I am maintaining one planner where every month and weeks I always plan it out in this note. Actually, it is not a planner, but it's note copy. I turned it into this planner, and now I just downloaded a design from Pinterest, and here it's how look. Guys, it is not compulsory to buy a planner. You can purchase it a note copy like me, and you can design it as you want. But before starting with May plan, remember to look or just at the end of that page of that month, like for month of April, I'm just going through what I have left or what I have not done. It's some sort of a small part of a review or revision you do it, and I just write and I will try cover it in the next month, that is on the month of May. By doing this, it will help to analyze it, and even for the next month you can do it little far better. And remember, planning the whole month will help to grow, and even it will be in the track of your success. So now I started with May. As it's shown, I just made a straight line with the help of a scale, and before using the black or any color, I just did with pencil like a rough work. And guys, honestly speaking, I won't be doing exactly as it was shown in picture because it's going to take too lot of time. And after that, I just did with black lines the outlines, the flower I did with the black pen, and the letters May I did with I used the calligraphy pen. And here it is the final outlook of the cover page of month of May, and I just colored this small box with the pink color. And in the next page I just wrote habit tracker by using calligraphy pen. And in the habit tracker I will just see that whether all my goals I'm doing it, I'll just put wrong or right every day on that particular date if I missed out something. And to the side page I just wrote some motivation quotes which I felt I did messed up, and it's not looking good guys, but no one is going to see other than you, so I just left it with like this. And then again back to habit tracker, I just wrote the days and dates as like a calendar, and if so it will, I can put wrong and right on that particular date if I missed out something. And below that I just wrote what all I have to do like a goal, so it will easy for me to maintain it well. And the most important part comes here is gratitude. This is very important part of this planner. Every day you must write at least one gratitude every morning that you feel grateful for it. It gives a real warm smile on face and satisfy your heart. Since for the month of May the theme of the color is pink, so even I did a outline of that gratitude word with the pink, so it was looking good only, it was okay. And the next comes that week plan. So every weekend like that I just plan for the next week, and beside that I write my goals to do in the next week. So to look little more good, I just did with brown sketch pen the outline, so it was looking good. And then I did a small box that is for every day to write the to-do list which we tell, and I made just a small box, small 5 box. Make small box medium one so it doesn't take so much paper, because it's some type of wasting of papers only, so make small boxes. and with the help of the highlighter I just did color, so it was looking good only. So okay guys, this is the final look. So I just did simple, and the cover page I just did design, and it was looking good only. So this is how I always make plan every month and every week. So hope so you like this and it might help you. So see you guys in the next video. Till that, namaste everyone. Stay safe and keep smiling always.
मधुर